The question, there are 4 points and we have to go counterclockwise, that is anti-clockwise. Let us solve 4 points. You see 4 points as 0, 0. Second is 1, 0. Third is 1, 1. And fourth is 0, 1. We have to go in this direction. Let us name this point A, B, C and D. The function inside the integral is x square y square dx plus x square minus y square dy. See, let us work one by one. Along AB, you see y is 0. Y is 0 and x 0 to 1. Here you see 0 to 1. These are for AB. So this changes as C zero, this gives us 0. So along AB it is 0. Now along BC we see x equal to 1 and y 0 to 1. So putting x equal to 1, this 1 means constant and differentiation of 1 is 0, so this whole part will be 0 and it remains 1 minus y square dy 0 to 1. Integrating we get 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. Now along BC we have done for BC. Now CD. For CD, y equals to 1 and x goes from 1 to 0. Putting y equals to 1, that is constant, so this will be 0 and this will be x square dx. Limit is from 1 to 0. This gives us minus 1 by 3. Now the last part is dA. For dA you see x is 0 and y is 1 to 0. So putting x equal to 0 in this, we get minus y square dy. Integration from 1 to 0. This gives us 1 by 3. Now we got all values. You see, first is this 0. Second is 2 by 3. Adding these two we get 2 by 3. Third is minus 1 by 3. Subtracting we get 1 by 3 and again plus 1 by 3. That is, the resultant will be sum of these 4 and that value is 2 by 3. So our correct answer is 2 by 3 and in decimal this will be 0.67.